jou eyes en breedaas. Let the world soften at the edges. Dit is not a promise of instant miracles. It is an invitation, a punchant, simple testament you can run for on yourself. Today we see Lord die paar visualiseerd, adop deliberately imagined and how it becomes the bridge between mind and body, how it amplifies breath, deepens meditation, ons en opens 'n soortel inner gatewise, often describe it as the third eye and the chakra system. We will move from science to spirit, from practical techniques so come to quiet inner ceremony. Stay with me. Breathe gently through the venous, inhale, exhale, begin. Visualization is the mind's ability to produce the sensory experiences in the absence of direct external input. Think of it as mental rehearsal, an inner movie, a sculpture, a bright color, a scent, a sound, a soft pressure behind the eyes. Modern neuroscience shows us that when you vividly imagine a movement or a scene, many of the same brain networks that work by atif of you are actually seeing or doing die thing light up in a similar pattern on. That overlap is the doorway. When you imagine breathing into a place, you recruit the attention system, you chant autonomic tone, you alter perception of sensation aan onaltradesy. You are not literally teleporting oxygen with your thoughts, but by directing attention and breath, you can change how blood, breath, and awareness are deployed, and that matters. Bring your awareness to the breath. Notice waar it touches your body, the nostrils, the chest, the subtle rise and fall of the belly. With each slow inhale, imagine drawing in clear, luminous air. See it as pale blue light, or as cool mountain water as you prefer. Move it gently inward. As you the air, take a soft lead to guide it. As you exhale, picture any tension or darkness dissolving, leaving it like a slough or fog. The simple map, inhale light, exhale shadow, is the series of effective visualization practice. It trains the mind to follow the breath and link sensory imagination with physiological processes. Heart rate variability improves, stress hormones soften, and the parasympathetic nervous system, where rest and repair branch, become more available. In other words, imagining the Lord influence the body because attention is a physiological lever. Now, later a speakie plainly about the chakras in the third eye. These are ancient symbolic maps describing how attention and subtle energy might organize the human field. Think of the chakras as stations of concentrated awareness and resonance, centers where breath, intention, and sensation gather. The third eye, located in many traditions at the brow center between and slightly above the eyebrows, is described as a seat of inner vision, intuition, and the capacity to observe without being consuming. Whether you treat these as literal energetic bias or poetic diagrams, they function as powerful focal points for practice. But the brain loves a target, give better a target, and neural activity binds itself around that target. With repetition, the brain forms patterns. Those patterns become habit of attention. Visualization gives you a target. Begin to cultivate the image of a lotus, soft layer that petals, opening slowly. Imagine the lotus plek at the center of your head, the luminous, warmy, any life has. This is not a fantasy for its own sake. The lotus as if it has been a cross-cultural symbol of clarity unfolding instant through darkness, ook roots and mood, blossom and light. As you imagine the lotus, notice what changes inside. The muscles around the eyes relax, shoulders drop, the jaw unclamps, the scalp subtly ears, your breath slows. This is the practical gift of a single sustained image. It organizes subtle physiology toward calm, focus, and receptivity. If you want technique, there is a guided section you can follow. Sit or lie comfortably. Dat je 3 slow breaths to settle. On the fourth inhale, imagine a draw in a thread of a cool clean air up through the body, from the base of the spine to the center of the head. As you breathe in, the 3 gloes lit light brightig. Visualize it, arriving in the cranial and forming the stemvat base that sits at the center of your skull, just as that above the brow line. With it inhale, the lotus swell. With it exhale, its petals unfold. Continue for a few minutes. Out of thoughts and truth, notices them without judgment and returning to the unfolding lotus. Over timer, this repeated focus reverse attention. Frontoparietal networks that manage the focus begin more adapt.
limbic reactivity calms. Dis your subjective experience of for clarity increase. En die third eye beheer bekom zich wel te center deur rather dan an abstract idea. Jou agter visualization kan effect breeding die techniques in meditation stuurde. Die relationship is intimate. Die breath is the most accessible somatic breath in existence. Voluntary. Yet tied to automatic regulars. Die visualization supplies intention and imagery. Breath supplies rhythm and physiologically effect. Combining the two multiplies results. For example, alternated nostril breath note with an accompanying visual light moving the left to right along the nasal passages depends with the physiological effect and the felt present of the practice. Die breath die changes blood gas composition slightly en maar spartandig het shift autonomic balance te. Visualization modulate a cortical regulation of that balance. In plek when you pair your focused image with the unintentional breath, would your train woord brain and autonomic system estimate is on a new pathonderende calm, clarity and sensory refinement. Let me gekabit jou practical breathing visualization that is widely usable. Inhale slowly for a count of mouth that feel natural but strong, perhaps 4 to 60 seconds. As you breathe in, imagine the air as a luminous current traveling along the your spine, settling at the chosen center, perhaps the chest, the navel or the space between the eyebrows. Where's the image for a bit? Exhale for a longer kind, allow the image to spread want te onpanestig. Repeat, if you prefer. Imagine the exhale as a golden thread that loosens whatever not your career. This is not mystical thinking divorced from biology. Longer exhales promote waggeltoon and a sense of 70. The visualization amplifies that biological effect and anchors your remain observaar, preventing inertia and scattered rumination. Now, source a sensitive phrase you use the case. Proceed oxygen into our balls, inner temples, through power of visualization. I'll interpret this kindly as an interest in directing breath, attention, and association toward energetic inner points sometimes described as temples or spheres within the body. If by this is you mean the temporal regions at the side of the head or inner sancta, where you feel subtle pulsations, visualization and the breath can certainly alter the felt sense there. Imagine light entering with the inhale, pulling into warm spheres at your inner temple. Sense the expansion, sense the gentle pressure as circulation and awareness increase. The guided attention can door areas feel more alive, more oxygenated, more spacious. However, please be precise, die visualization does niet verstikkelen. Force more oxygen into the tissue beyond what your breathing and cardiovascular system naturally supply. What it does do is change the local blood flow subtly via the autonomic nervous system, alter interoceptive awareness, how you sense internal status, and reduce sympathetic constriction, which I combines with slow breathing, can improve tissue perfusion in real supportive ways. In short, tooth plus breath change perception and indirectly shift physiology. If you like scientific language, imagine the following chain. Focus attention in the prefrontal control areas. These down-regulate limbic arousal, parasympathetic engagement increase, peripheral vasodilation where tension eases, perceived oxygenation improves. That last step, perceived oxygenation, is crucial. You will find more oxygen, even a subtle physiological change supporting that functioning. This type combined bottom-up and top-down shift is onder de eerste meditators report sustained change in mood, pain thresholds and stress resilience after a constant practice of visualization plus breath. Third eye-opening for money is less as 'n sodan pap en is 'n gradual enlargement of interior seeing. Wat jy meeste gebeurens increase the fullness of inner imagery, deeper intuition or lucid dream or felt sense of alignment between values and action. A visualization prepares the soil for a sote. When you repeatedly place a luminous lotus at the brow center and the breathe through agete, you are by the strengthening the neural networks that support inward attention and our gross-modal sensory integration. Over time, the imaginative clarity becomes less effortful, where overnight you need an image, now the mind holds a quietest luminosity naturally. There is a more elaborate guided visualization for gently cultivating third eye sensitivity. Sit with as a neutral spine, take 3 full easy breaths. Now, picture a small, clear pool at the center of your forehead, like a column of dark glass. Above the pool, a tiny lotus rests hollowed by a soft silver light. With each inhale, imagine the pool reflecting a brighter light from within. With each exhale, watch ripples calm and why the awareness settle. Allow the inner space to be spacious rather than strain. If sensations arise, pressure, warmth, a gentle to tingling, simply observe them. These are normal manifestations of focused attention. At any time you feel dizzy, disoriented, or uncomfortable, soften the practice by returning to the breath and the body is in contact with the chair or floor. Safety and gentleness are part of the deep work. Spiritual tradition often frame the yutas and the terdaike in metaphors about seeing what the truth beyond illusion. In practice, the discipline is remarkably pragmatic. Mental image, steady breath, conscious repetition. The spiritual side arrives naturally when you pass sustained attention with the compassionate intention to know, to heal, to be present. Visualization without gentleness can become an exercise in forcing results. Visualization with kennis become uit vorme van internal devotion. Bekomme when dat zijn is nie ritualize training of intention in the moral disposition. Let us talk for a minute about the balls metaphor again, because language matters. In many for meditative map, there are subtle or spherical concentrations of sensation or energy, sometimes called grantes or nodal spheres, sometimes described simply as inner templa. Of you intend to oxygenate breath and attention there's anker die practice in clear physiology, brede diaphragmatische, allowed gentle expansion in the chest and belly, and find yes at the receiving the gentle flow of warm light. To increase the feeling of oxygenation here include movement, or a soft neck rotation, a slow note, before a setting van into stillness, condan movement primes the circulation and nervous system. Then stillness allows you to detect the subtler shifts that follow. Okay, now a brief practical routine you can use daily, morning, afternoon or evening. 3 to 15 minutes is step 1, settle in ground, feel connected and to support under you. Step 2, inhale for 4 kinds truths, imagine pure cool light moving up the spine. Step 3, hold for 1 gentle beat without straining. Step 4, exhale for 6, seeing the light pool at the center of the head into a lotus. Repeat it for 5 to 12 cycles. Step 5, sit quietly and open into receptive awareness day, noticing any chugging sensations at the brow, the temple, the throat, and with 3 normal breath and a small smile. Over waste of repetition that the practice keep living and habit and the experience of inner vision deepens. Keep it simple, consistency, but intensity. Om people ask whether visualization is real or just in my neus nie. Buddha answers so dear.
Imagineesig is often dismissed as fantasy, yet it is the very faculties that allows humans to plan, invent, heal and empathize. Visualization serves as a rehearsal for their capacity. When athletes visualize a perfect movement, performance improves. When patients imagine healing, their sense of well-being can improve, which in turn supports recovery. These are pragmatic, measurable outcomes. On a subtler plane, visualization is a devotional art, the repeated shaping of internal images that align you to intention. Whether you use neuroplasticity, placebo-amplified healing, or a spiritual opening, the mechanism is the same. Concentrated attention changes the system. We worry about expectations, so the frontiers of inner work are less about immediate fireworks and more so about quiet accumulation. If you enter the practice expecting dramatic paranormal phenomena, disappointment or frustration may follow. If you enter with curiosity and patience, surprising chances often arise, clearer thought, improved sleep, less reactivity, deeper creativity, more coherent decision making. Your third eye may open there not as a theatrical flair, but as a steady deepening of inner perception that subtly pumps on actually. Sometimes, sensations that arise during our practice can feel unfamiliar. Pressure behind the eyes, warmth at the brow, a wave of emotion each keer hot. These are normal consequences of focused attention in the nervous system rebalancing. You treat the like a way that here, notice, feel, and let pass. Mind that basic safety. Avoid prolonged breath retention if you have cardiovascular issues or seizure history, and consult a qualified teacher or health professional for personalized circurrence. gentle practice done consistently is both effective and safe for most people. Let us return to the lotus image here for a closing guided minute. Again, sit or recline comfortably. Inhale gently through the anus, seeing a column of light rising from the earth through your spine to the crown. As the light reaches the center of your head, feel a small boot expand onto an lotus. Each the petal opens with the breath. The blossom does not rush, now it reveals itself in time. Feel the stillness at its center, a quiet, unmoving clarity that watch you without grasping. But is that quietness sit with iemand here for a woman? While you have been practicing the oxygen to the inner temple's imageless, imagine this lotus glowing and sending a soft, warm radiance to the spheres at your temples. Sense ease in the space behind the eyes and a widener of inner seeing. When you are ready, bring a gentle movement to the fingers and toes, return to simple breathing and open the eyes softly. Carry the feeling of the lotus with you, not as attachment, but as a reminder that the 10 year to shop sound of Biriban Subai. Visualization is on a tool that precise, the humana, in so profound. That is a disciplined kennis that you offer yourself, to slow to by the breath, to steady the mind at it here, to turn toward inner clarity. Over weeks and months, the small rituals accumulates into a new habit of attention. It reshapes a perception, making the inner world more luminous, the outer world less reactive, and your actions more aligned. And if you keep the practice, you will discover that the third eye opens like any other skill. Through patient repetition, humble curiosity, and an honest willingness to meet the comfort with warmth rather than battle. The lotus is not a promise sea, but it is yours. Het groeit is van dark earde. Het endure storms en yet it bloom. Het let jou visualize it, be dat begin tending breed. Je mag niet return. In Tybien, your inner seeing strengthens, your breath deepens, and your life aligns more so constantly with your host audience. End this session by making a small vow to yourself. 3 breaths of gratitude for the practice, 3 quiet smiles to the heart, and want a simple clarity and so come back to Maruta Nakergeet. You have planted a seed with steady sustenance and discipline. It will grow.